If you're an author that enjoys talking on camera or even just sharing your process, then YouTube can be a powerful way to connect with your readers. Unlike other platforms where your post disappears in a few days, YouTube videos are searchable. This means that people can find your posts months or even years after you post them if they search for it. So let's talk about the advantages of YouTube marketing for authors and some tips to get started. So why should you consider starting a YouTube channel? YouTube is not like other social media platforms. It's the second last search engine in the world, right after Google. People search for things like best mystery books of the year or writing tips for beginners. And if your video matches exactly what they're searching for, then your video will appear in their search results. For authors, this opens up a huge opportunity. Your content stays evergreen, unlike a post on Instagram or X where your content just disappears. There are also active communities like AuthorTube and BookTube where authors connect with each other, collaborate with each other, and support each other. Engaging with others in these spaces can help you grow your audience and get inspired. YouTube also offers multiple formats. You can host live sessions to connect with readers in real time. You can cut your longer video into clips of under 60 seconds each and share them as YouTube shorts. You can also build playlists to group your content into different categories. All these features help increase engagement and attract new viewers. So here are some tips to get started on YouTube. Firstly, before you start, you need to ask yourself if you really want this. YouTube takes time and consistent effort. You shouldn't start because someone else is starting a YouTube channel. You should only do it if you're excited to talk to a camera and share it with the world. You also need to plan out your content. Really think about what your audience loves. You can create content buckets like informational content, storytelling content, and promotional content. This way, you'll be able to cover different formats and topics. Then, you can group your content into playlists to keep your channel organized and viewer-friendly. If you want to find out how to plan your social media content exactly, we have multiple videos and you can click on the link in the description to check them out. You also need to keep your branding consistent. Branding is not just about logos. It's about your voice, your tone, and your general style. Do you greet viewers the same way every time you start a video? Or are your thumbnails visually consistent with your brand colors and fonts? All of this is a part of your brand. Thumbnails are super important on YouTube because most people click on a video with an attractive thumbnail. So make sure your thumbnail text has some shock value, is bold and easy to read, and pops on a screen. And before you get started, you might need some simple equipment. Just your smartphone camera in a silent room with good natural light should do. You don't need a DSLR camera or a professional mic to begin with. Good lighting and sound is much more important than expensive gear. We have a video on tips to start recording videos, so you can click the link below to check it out. And remember, YouTube marketing might not be for everyone, but if you enjoy being on camera, then it's a powerful tool to connect with readers on a deeper level. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!